Hello, boys and girls. This is your teacher, Mrs. House. I have put together this video to help you study and complete your worksheet. You can stop the video whenever you need to, or you can rewind if you do not understand something. Let's go. Do you know your sight words? Do you know your sight words? Well, let's see if you remember your sight words. It's sight words time, it's sight words time. Come on everybody, it's sight words time. It's sight words time, it's sight words time. Come on everybody, it's sight words time. Watch. Real. Almost. Above. Girl. Sometimes. Mountains. Now, can you write a sentence using your sight words? Well, let's try these three. They are almost, sometimes, mountains. I'll wait a few seconds to see what sentence you come up with. Well, here are a few sentences that I thought of. We are almost finished with our work. Sometimes I like to draw. He climbed the mountains. Long U. Long U says you. Long U says you, as in clue, cube, stew, fruit. What does long U say? Very good. U. We're going to have a look at some letters that make the long U sound. When we look at the word cube, we can hear the long U sound. What is making that long U sound? Well, we have the vowel U, a consonant, and the vowel E. Do you remember when we did magic E? Yes, we said that the magic E is always silent, but it makes that vowel say its name. In this case, the long U. Can you think of any other words that have the long U that is spelt with U, consonant E? Here are some words that are spelt with the vowel U, consonant E. You can repeat them after me. Tube, huge, rules, June, cute, and the word mule. Fruits. We have the two letters U and I. Remember when we said when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking and the second vowel is silent. So in this word, fruits, U and I give the long U sound. Can you think of any other words that are spelt with the long U, U and I? Juice, suit, cruise, clue, The letters UE is making the long U sound. Again, we have two vowels going or walking. The first one does the talking and the second one is silent. Do you know any other words that have the long vowel U and are spelt with the words letters UE? True. Glue. Statue. Blue. Argue. Rescue. The word stew. Stew. What two letters are giving us that long U sound? Very good. If you said the letters EW, you are correct. The letters EW give us the long U sound. Can you think of any other words that have the long U sound and are spelt with the letters EW? Put on your thinking caps. Very good. The word chew. Nephew. New. New again, but a different meaning. Flu. And the word few. They all have the long U sound and are spelt with the letters EW. You can now go ahead and read your story on the long U. Contractions. A contraction is a short form of writing two words written as one word. An apostrophe takes the place of the missing letter or letters. Does a contraction remind you of a special type of word that we did inside class? Yes. If you said compound words, you are correct. But a contraction is different from a compound word. Remember, it has an apostrophe and some of the letters are missing. Let's look at this contraction. Is not. How do I make this a contraction? Very good. We have the word isn't. ISN apostrophe T. We remove the letter O, and so we replace it with an apostrophe. We also put the two words together, isn't. Let's try some. Let's look at the words they are. What contraction do we make when we have the words they are? If you said there, you are correct. THEY apostrophe RE. There. Which letter do you notice is missing? Yes, the letter A. Then we have the words she is. The contraction for she is the word she's. Do you notice which letter is missing? Awesome! The letter I. What did we replace the letter I with? Very good. An apostrophe. Now, I know I can trick you. I have the contraction heel. HE apostrophe LL. What two words make up the contraction heel? Very good. You said he will. Awesome. You are so smart. You are doing an excellent job. The words he will gives us the contraction heal. You can now continue practicing in your workbooks. And remember that I miss you and I love you and I want you to do extremely well.